Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a ledger card. First, understand that a ledger card is a fundamental accounting tool. It provides a clear, chronological record of all financial activities for a specific account, whether it's for a customer, vendor, or internal ledger. This detailed view helps you monitor balances, verify transactions, and maintain accurate financial records. It's essential for good financial management. There are several ways to obtain your ledger card. For traditional accounts, you can often request a physical copy directly from your bank or financial institution. Many modern systems also offer digital access, allowing you to download or view your ledger card statements through secure online portals. If you use accounting software, generating a detailed ledger report is usually a straightforward process within the application itself. When you review your ledger card, you'll find crucial information. Each line item typically includes the transaction date, a clear description of the activity, and a unique reference number. It distinctly separates debit entries, which decrease the balance, from credit entries, which increase it. Most importantly, the running balance updates after every transaction, giving you an immediate and accurate financial snapshot. To maximize the utility of your ledger card, always reconcile it regularly with your bank statements to catch any discrepancies promptly. Maintaining organized digital and physical copies ensures easy access for audits or financial reviews. This practice helps you stay on top of your finances and prevents potential issues. Also, for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.